Hello, I'm Seema. Directions: read the following passage and answer the questions that follow the passage. This passage is about protein synthesis. And the question given is, the passage suggests that a biologist who held the view described in the first sentence of the second paragraph would most probably also have believed which of the following? The view in question was a view that ascribed the rate of synthesis as a primary determinant in cell functioning. Hence, such a view would tend to overlook or negate the role of degradation in the cell process. This is expressed only in option number 1 and hence it is the correct answer. The answer to this question is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions: read the given passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The question is, which of the following best describes the relationship between the second and the third paragraph of the passage? The third paragraph of the passage speaks of the phenomenon in relation to the bone marrow, which is a specific example of the general theory suggested in the paragraph 2. Hence, option number 3, saying the third paragraph describes a specific case of a phenomenon that is described generally in the second paragraph, is the right choice. The answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Direction: read the following passage and answer the question that follows it. The passage is about protein synthesis. The question is, the accumulation of concentration of hemoglobin in red blood cells is mentioned in the passage as an example of which of the following? The phenomenon mentioned in the question relates to showing how the synthesis and degradation process go hand in hand to achieve the desired result. A careful reading of the remainder of the third paragraph would corroborate the same. Here, for red blood cells to accumulate sufficient concentrations of hemoglobin to carry out their main function, the cell's parent cells simultaneously produce more of the constituent proteins of hemoglobin and less of most other proteins. To do this, the parent cells halt synthesis of non-hemoglobin mRNAs in the nucleus and rapidly degrade copies of the non-hemoglobin mRNAs, that is messenger RNAs, remaining in the cytoplasm. This proves option number 1 as the most appropriate choice. The answer is option 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.